This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing gear and account because clean input means better Street View results. Once your phone or 360 camera is charged and logged into the Google Street View app, create a new project and select Capture. Make sure location and camera permissions are enabled so images geotag correctly. Walk the planned route at a steady pace. Keep the camera level. This first step prevents misaligned panoramas and speeds up later stitching, so don't rush it. Once you have footage, focus on capture quality and stitching. You should overlap images deliberately. The app relies on shared detail to align frames. If you used a sphere camera, confirm the camera's orientation setting matches north for better mapping. Make sure to review the preview panoramas and use the in-app stitching controls to nudge misaligned seams. Manual corrections often save time versus reshooting. Also, label or group sequences clearly so you can find and edit them later. You finish by publishing and verifying the result on Google Maps. After upload, inspect the panorama's placement and orientation. If the image is offset, edit the position in the app or move the map pin. If you see stitching artifacts or blurred areas, reprocess with higher overlap or recapture the affected segment at a slower pace. Make sure faces and license plates are blurred if required. Finally, review community feedback and update images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.